AOHUA Laser is an experienced manufacturer focused upon the production of the following products: laser mold welding machine, jewelry laser spot welder, metal laser welder, alloy metal laser welder, precision fiber laser welding machine, fiber laser marking machine, CO2 laser marking machine, and other related equipment. Our products are widely used in hardware mold, automation, electronics, communication, jewelry, precision automobile parts, aerospace, and other fields. We have been engaged in the laser industry for nearly 3 decades. Our location in Shenzhen City, in one of the special economic regions of China, provides several transportation and other logistical advantages. AOHUA has passed CE and ISO 9001 Quality Management System certifications. We are very proud of our team of senior engineers who are responsible for the production, research, and development of processing technology and design. Additionally, we can provide corresponding laser solutions based on varied customer needs for the ultimate in customization. AOHUA Company can independently research and develop and complete the manufacturing of various laser machines, and can make timely adjustments and improvements to any problem encountered in production, debugging, and testing, which greatly improves the equipment performance and product quality, as well as ensure the client's benefit and reduces post-purchase maintenance costs. We are always willing to get in touch and develop deep cooperation with agents from all over the world to open up local markets. Currently, we have established long-term, stable business relationships with agents from Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Thailand, India, Vietnam, Brazil, Mexico, and other regions. And we provide logistics, training, after-sales, and other technology and service support for them. AOHUA Laser sincerely welcomes clients from all over the world to visit our company and develop mutually beneficial business relationships.
The AOHUA metal mold repair laser welder is mainly used in the repair of super large, large, and medium molds. The laser moves up and down, left and right, and back and forth. The workbench can be adjusted left or right or back and forth. It is widely used in mobile phones, digital products, automobile, and other mold making and molding industries. Our metal mold repair laser welder precisely repairs sand holes, cracks, chipping, abrasion, and other micro parts of the mold. And the heat effective zone is small, which will not cause mold deformation. A deep welding depth makes it beautiful and firm, and the melting is enough, leaving no sign of repair. Our galvanometer scanner laser welder possesses the following advantages: small heat affected zone and welding process, no damage to workpiece, high welding quality, fast welding speed, and a speed of 1 to 25 spots per second, having a processing efficiency of 3 to 4 times higher than that of the traditional workbench. Resolution of this fiber laser marking machine is up to a micron, which is over 10 times that of traditional products. The power consumption is only 1/25 to 1/10 of that of the competitor's products. Speed is over 3 to 5 times faster than the industry norm. This machine possesses high stability, and its service life is over 10 times longer than traditional products.